If you're trying to decide whether to let someone out or not, you need to really think about traffic flow. In this scenario, our camera is held back and is probably holding up many people behind just to let this one person out of the junction on the left. If there wasn't anyone behind, there was no reason to stop and give way anyway. So this situation isn't a good time because it just causes confusion. Nobody knows what's going on. This scenario is utterly different though. Now even if there are vehicles behind, the traffic flow in front of our camera this time can't go far. So why go and block the space so vehicles waiting behind the bus can't go past? This is a good time to be holding back and letting people go. However, I am making some assumptions because I can't be sure of what's going on behind. Each situation should be judged on its own merits. What's going on behind affects greatly of how you do things in front.